Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. What is stock market success for beginners? What is crucial to grasp as you embark on this investment journey is that successful stock market investing isn't just about making quick profits. It requires patience and a willingness to learn. Remember, every successful investor started as a beginner, navigating the waters of owning stocks and understanding the market dynamics. As you immerse yourself in the content of this series, you'll find practical tips and strategies designed to cultivate your confidence and investment acumen. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and always be willing to adapt. These are the signs of a true investor on the path to success. As you embark on this exciting adventure into the world of stocks, the first lesson is simply about ownership. When you buy a stock, you are acquiring a piece of a company and its potential future. This very concept of ownership is what fuels your investment journey and helps demystify the stock market. By understanding that stocks represent real equity in a business, you start to see the connection between your investment and the company's success. Your financial growth becomes tied to their performance, which adds a personal stake in the companies you choose to support. Stocks can seem intimidating at first, but breaking them down into simple concepts will clarify your understanding. For instance, when you decide to invest, think of yourself as a shareholder, one who stands to gain from the company's achievements. With an ownership stake, every rise in stock price reflects the efforts and ingenuity of that business, making your investment a personal venture rather than just numbers on a screen. As we delve deeper into this series, you'll become more comfortable with these ideas, turning fear into empowerment as you gain insights into how the market operates and how to navigate it effectively. Investing in stocks isn't merely about the here and now, it's also about foresight. Understanding that a company's viability and future performance are what can elevate your investment's value is key. As you research potential stocks, consider their fundamentals, such as revenue growth, profit margins, and innovations. These indicators serve as vital signs of a company's health and future prospects. As a beginner, focus on industries you're passionate about or have knowledge in, as this can provide an edge in making informed decisions. Your initial investments should reflect not only financial goals but also personal interests, creating a more engaging experience as you watch your investments blossom over time. Ultimately, remember that stock market success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about developing a strategy that resonates with you and sticking to it, adapting as needed without losing sight of your overall aims. Embrace the learning process and watch as your knowledge builds with each video in this series. The next step in your investing journey is understanding the various types of stocks you can choose from. There are primarily two categories: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are what most investors buy. They come with voting rights and the potential for dividends. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, usually do not provide voting rights but offer fixed dividends, making them less risky and appealing for those who seek stable income. Being acquainted with these distinctions will better equip you to make informed choices that align with your investment strategy. Don't overlook the importance of research, as knowledgeable decisions form the foundation of your long-term success. In addition to understanding common and preferred stocks, it's also important to grasp the different strategies investors can employ. Each investor has unique goals, timelines, and risk tolerances, which play a crucial role in determining the right approach. For instance, some may favor a buy-and-hold strategy, focusing on long-term gains by purchasing stocks and keeping them through market fluctuations. This method pulls from the belief that strong companies will appreciate over time, allowing patience to yield rewards. Others may opt for a more active approach, known as day trading, where they buy and sell stocks within a single day, taking advantage of short-term price movements. Whichever strategy you choose, align it with your financial objectives and lifestyle, as this will make your investing journey more fulfilling and tailored to your personal circumstances. Understanding the stock market also means recognizing the significance of indexes, which are collections of stocks that represent a specific segment of the market. These indexes, like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average, serve as indicators of market performance and can greatly influence investor sentiment. When these indexes rise, it often reflects overall optimism, while a decline can signal caution among investors. This understanding helps you gauge market trends and anticipate potential shifts, aiding your ability to make more informed investment decisions. By staying updated on these benchmarks, you position yourself to respond wisely to market changes and, ultimately, enhance your investment strategy for long-term success. As you explore further, one crucial point is the importance of diversification in your investment portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across various sectors and asset classes to mitigate risk. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or industry, you should allocate resources in such a way that if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing out your risks. This strategy helps you weather market fluctuations and reduces the likelihood of significant losses, making your investment approach more robust. Remember, the goal is not only to chase high returns but also to protect your capital as you navigate the thrilling yet unpredictable world of stocks and investing. In addition to understanding diversification, it's essential to recognize the role of market research in building a successful investment strategy. Regularly analyzing market trends, company performance, and economic indicators can provide critical insights that guide your investment choices. For instance, paying attention to quarterly earnings reports allows you to see how well the companies you've invested in are performing financially, which in turn affects their stock prices. Moreover, staying informed about industry news and developments can help you adapt your strategy when necessary, identifying emerging opportunities or warning signs. The markets can be volatile, and remaining proactive in your research will empower you to make decisions that align with your evolving financial goals. Embrace this process as a key component of your investing journey, ensuring you're consistently informed and ready to act when the time is right. Building on the principles you've learned so far, it's also vital to cultivate the right mindset as an investor. Approaching the stock market with both optimism and caution can serve you well. Embrace the idea that losses can be part of the journey and that every investor faces challenges. What truly matters is how you respond to those challenges. Strive to maintain a long-term perspective, avoiding impulsive reactions driven by short-term market fluctuations. This discipline will not only help mitigate emotional decision-making but will also keep you focused on your financial goals, reflecting the essence of sound investing. As you continue this series, remember that consistent learning and emotional resilience are your allies on the road to stock market success. As you step into the realm of stock market investing, remember that knowledge is your most powerful tool. Dive into the nuances of how to analyze stocks, focus on gathering insights that resonate with your investment goals, and remain vigilant about the broader financial landscape. Keep in mind that the journey you're embarking on may have ups and downs, but each experience will sharpen your skills and deepen your understanding of the market. With discipline and resilience, you will gradually build a portfolio that reflects both your aspirations and the wisdom you gain along the way. Follow along in this series, and take charge of your financial future with confidence. In our journey to comprehend stock market dynamics, it's essential to recognize that investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. As you learn about different investment vehicles and strategies, take time to evaluate what aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether you prefer a conservative method with stable returns or a more aggressive strategy for quick gains, be true to your unique style. This introspection will position you to make more meaningful investment decisions that resonate with your personal objectives. Remember, embracing your individual investment philosophy is just as important as understanding market mechanics, empowering you to navigate your financial journey with greater clarity and purpose. Your venture into investing is just beginning, and every step holds the potential for growth. As you gain clarity on the principles of stock ownership, market dynamics, and investment strategies, you'll find opportunities that align with your interests and financial goals. Stay engaged in your journey, continue exploring new concepts, and remember that building a successful portfolio is a gradual process. Each decision you make adds to your knowledge and ultimately shapes your future as an empowered investor ready to embrace the challenges and rewards of the stock market. As we conclude this video, remember that understanding stocks is just the beginning of your investing journey. Embrace the knowledge you've gained and take actionable steps toward building your financial future. With dedication, ongoing learning, and sound strategies, you can navigate the stock market successfully. Welcome to your exciting new adventure. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.